Welcome back to the 180-day AI and machine learning course from scratch. Yesterday, we discussed why organizing your AI code is crucial, comparing it to building a house without a blueprint. Today, we're diving into the fundamental tools that bring order and efficiency to your AI projects: functions, modules, and libraries. These aren't just abstract concepts, they are the bedrock upon which every sophisticated AI system is built. Understanding them will transform your coding from a chaotic struggle into a streamlined, powerful process. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to, first, explain the role of functions in creating reusable and testable AI code. Second, describe how modules help organize larger AI projects. Third, identify the benefits of using powerful Python libraries in AI development. And finally, recognize how these three elements combine to form robust AI workflows. This lesson is all about equipping you with the foundational knowledge to move from simply writing code to architecting intelligent systems. Let's begin by setting our learning objectives. Let's start with functions, the smallest but perhaps most vital building blocks. Think of a function as a specialized tool in your AI toolkit, designed to perform one specific job perfectly. In AI, tasks like cleaning text, extracting features, or making a prediction are often complex. Instead of writing the same code repeatedly, we encapsulate these operations within functions. For example, consider our clean text function from the course context. Its sole purpose is to take raw text, convert it to lowercase, remove extra spaces, and strip punctuation. This single responsibility makes the function easy to understand, test, and reuse. This reusability is key. Once you've written a robust clean text function, you can use it across different parts of your AI project without worrying about its internal workings. It just performs its task. Furthermore, functions significantly enhance code readability. When you see a call to clean text my data, you immediately know what that line of code is doing, even if you don't delve into its implementation details. This clarity is invaluable, especially in large AI projects where many people might be collaborating. Finally, functions make debugging much simpler. If your AI model isn't performing as expected, you can isolate and test individual functions to pinpoint where an error might be occurring. It's much easier to fix a problem in a small, focused function than in a sprawling block of unorganized code. Functions are the workhorses that ensure your AI system is built on reliable, testable components. As your AI projects grow, simply having individual functions isn't enough. You'll soon find yourself with dozens, even hundreds of functions. This is where modules come into play. Think of modules as specialized departments in your AI company, or perhaps different toolboxes in your workshop. Each module groups together related functions, classes into a single, organized file. For instance, in our text analyzer example, you might have a text processor.py module containing all functions related to text manipulation, like clean text, extract features, and calculate sentiment score. Separately, you could have a data validator.py module for functions that ensure data quality, such as check data types or remove empty entries. This organization is incredibly powerful. It prevents naming conflicts, as functions with the same name can exist in different modules without clashing. More importantly, it dramatically improves project maintainability. If you need to update how text is cleaned, you know exactly which module to go to. Imagine trying to find a specific tool in a giant pile versus knowing it's in the text processing drawer of your toolbox. Modules make navigating large codebases efficient and intuitive. They allow different developers to work on separate parts of the system without stepping on each other, mirroring how real AI teams operate with specialized engineers. Putting together your AI system into logical, self-contained modules, you create a structure that is easier to understand, manage, and scale. Now, let's talk about libraries. If functions are individual tools and modules are organized toolboxes, then libraries are like having access to a massive hardware store filled with professional-grade, expertly built equipment. Python's AI ecosystem thrives on powerful libraries. Instead of writing complex algorithms for mathematical operations, data manipulation, or machine learning models from scratch, you leverage code that has been optimized, tested, and refined by thousands of developers over decades. Think of NumPy, for instance. It provides incredibly fast and efficient ways to perform numerical computations, which are fundamental to almost every AI algorithm. Without NumPy, tasks like matrix multiplication, essential for neural networks, would be painfully slow to implement. Then there's Pandas, which makes working with tabular data, the kind you often find in datasets, incredibly easy. Cleaning, transforming, and analyzing data becomes a breeze. And scikit-learn offers a vast collection of machine learning algorithms, from linear regression to support vector machines, ready for you to use with just a few lines of code. Using libraries allows you to stand on the shoulders of giants. You can focus on the unique aspects of your AI problem, like designing the model architecture or interpreting results, rather than reinventing the wheel for every foundational component. This accelerates development, reduces errors, and ensures your AI systems are built on robust, high-performance foundations. They are truly your AI superpowers. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you now see how crucial functions, modules, and libraries are to building robust AI systems. Let's quickly recap our learning objectives. We started by understanding that functions are your AI workhorses, creating reusable, testable code blocks that perform specific tasks, enhancing both readability and debugging. Next, we explored modules, which act as your organized toolkits, grouping related functions to manage larger projects, improve maintainability, and foster collaboration. Finally, we learned about libraries, your access to professional-grade equipment, allowing you to leverage pre-written, optimized code from experts, accelerating development, and building on proven solutions. Together, these three concepts prevent code chaos and provide the clarity and structure needed for complex AI development. They are the organizational foundation that makes building AI agents possible, from our simple text analyzer to the most advanced systems. As a self-assessment, consider this question. How do functions, modules, and libraries, individually and collectively, help prevent the code chaos we discussed at the start of the course, especially in a large-scale AI project? Think about the benefits we've outlined. Tomorrow,